Hi everyone. In this video we are going to talk about unassigned reference exceptions errors. So in this example we just have an example script, simple script, and it just have two variables, cameraObj and Animator component. And in a start method we just assign get component of Animator, and an update on if we click on mouse button down we just print out transforms of cameraObj, and if we press A key then we print out just name of the Animator component. So we don't assign any values, or this cameraObj don't have Animator component. So if we just click on it we just get unassigned reference exception. So if we click on mouse, these errors will be happening. So whenever this type of errors comes to your code, the main reason is the script is trying to access a component or a cameraObj or something else, or variable components, but it don't getting them. So we just need to reference these scripts, just not referencing to them. So we just need to click on it, the error, and we go to the line in our code where this main problem is happening. So just here we got on the line, the main reason is cameraObj, there is no cameraObj attached. So we just need to attach a cameraObj with it, reference to it. So we just assign a main camera component. So now if we click on it we get a debug message or positions. The same here, if we press A we get a missing component exception error. So if we click on it, here is the error. This code is creating the errors. So we just need to assign a Animator component. If we attached in runtime, it's not going to, our error will still be there, because we are accessing this element on a start method, and once we start our games, a start method is already called, so it is never going to happen again. So we just need to exit play mode, attach a script, and add an Animator component. Now if we play it, there will be no errors, just example names and our messages. So whenever these errors happens to you or comes, just click on the errors. We will go to the line of the on the code where this error is happening. Just assign these variables, just make sure they have a reference. If they don't have, these errors will happen. So thank you.